Are you walking? Uh-oh. Hey, Gabby.
Hey.
You give brother say hi to mommy?
Yeah.
Look at me and say hi.
Hi.
What's brother doing? Oh. Dylan, don't eat it. No. Don't eat the sand. Ugh. What happened to your hair, brother?
He's up on sand.
He's got it. Don't eat it. Ugh. Where are you going? You're walking? Look at brother walking on the beach. Go say hi to the camera. Look. Whoa. Hold on. Show the camera. Oh. Look first. No, Bella. No. Sally, don't. Ah. Ah. Watch out, guys. He's got a big rock. He just threw seaweed on his elf. Where are you going, Gabs? Uh-oh, brother's following you. Sally, he's going to the water. Oh, he stopped. Ah! If you stay by them, I can record you too. Whoa, what was that, Gabs? What happened? The roller coaster?
Hold on.
Ah. Brother, where are you going, Celia? What are you looking for, Sally? What do you got, Gabs? Oh. What are you doing, Dylan? Up and down, up and down. Hello, Dylan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dylan. Dylan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm trying to get him to wave. I know. I've seen him before.
What do you think it is?
A sea pearl? I don't know.
It can't be a sea pearl.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow! Dylan! Are you okay? What's wrong? What happened? What happened? Whoa! Uh-oh. You okay? Gabby!
I'm ready to swim. To the rescue, please!
swim out deep? No, Gabby, don't throw the sand. You want to swim out far? Why? Whatever, we'll just throw them in. They'll learn how to swim. Look, it only took Dylan 1 year to walk. He'll learn how to swim in 5 minutes. 5 minutes?
Yeah, what about that?
She already knows. She just pretends.